Hi everybody, welcome back to another video of mine. Hope you've been well. So today I wanted to share with you a new discovery of mine. When I say new, well, I bought it about a year and a half, 2 years ago. Still loving it to this day. It's actually the workhorse in my makeup kit. It's my makeup brushes set. So this is from a brand called Rae Morris. So Rae Morris is an Australian makeup artist. She's quite famous around the world as well, doing all the celebrity makeups. So I discovered this probably about a year and a half, 2 years ago. Absolutely fall in love with her concept, because majority of her concept is actually magnetic brushes. So underneath each and every single brush there is a magnet that's holding these brushes up in her frame. And this frame here looks absolutely amazing on the vanity if you display this on the vanity. So for me, whenever I need to wash the brushes and dry them, I always hang them upside down like this. Absolutely amazing concept. And by hanging the brushes upside down, you actually avoid the moisture getting into the glue at the end of the brushes. So you prolong the life of the brush. So again, sorry you couldn't see my face. I'm trying to do two jobs at one. All right, so I'm gonna talk through a few of these brushes. Some of them, because I absolutely fall in love with them and use them all the time. Some of the numbers has rubbed off, but I'll try to actually link the numbers if I can find it on her website in the description, so that you can actually find these as well. So I'm very minimal with my makeup, as you can tell. I'm not a makeup pro or anything, but I find that if and when I do need to wear makeup, I need really good set of brushes to help make that experience more luxurious and fun for me. So I'm all about skincare, but if and when I need to wear makeup, I normally try to take care of my skin by using sunscreen and also primer. With this brush here, as you can see, it's a flat top brush, quite dense. I don't know if you can see that. I'm new to all this YouTube videos, so please bear with me as I'm trying to show you how the brush look like. So with this brush, with the flat top, it's so quick and easy for you to apply sunscreen and primer. So majority of the time I use this particular brush. I don't know whether she does this anymore. It's number 23, because I couldn't see it on her website last time, but I'll try and do another search and see if you can get this brush. It's beautiful for applying sunscreen or primer. So that's that one. And then moving on to foundation. I think the most important thing with foundation is that you've got to be able to apply it in such a way that it's not streaky, and being able to buff into your skin and massage it into your skin, so that the foundation become one with your skin. And this brush here is absolutely amazing, helping you to achieve that. This particular brush is number 27, and it's a foundation brush. Absolutely love it. It's quite thick and dense, as you can see. and it's got the slightly rounded dome shape to help you to buff it into your skin. So absolutely love this one. For this particular brush, it's got a medium-sized dome shape, and it's perfect for me to do either bronzing if I choose to do a bit of bronzing, or for my blusher. It's perfect size for my apple right here. So this particular one, similar to the previous one that I showed you, but with a smaller dome shape head. This I find that it's actually quite good for me to do a little bit of highlighting using this particular brush. So just applied it right here, just above the apple, to highlight, and also it can get into just that little part there underneath the eyebrow for highlighting my face. Now again, as I mentioned, I'm not a makeup pro, so I don't do my eye makeup a lot. Normally I'm quite minimal with my makeup in that I have foundation, I have my my blusher, and then very rare that I ever do my eyes because I've got Asian hooded eye, and I find that I tend to just leave my eyes alone. A flick of mascara, and away I go. But if and when I feel adventurous and having to do my eye makeup, these 4 brushes help me along to make the journey more enjoyable. So this particular one is a sharp dome shape, and so easy for me to get into the crease, to create a crease, to cut my crease using this particular one. And again, as I said, these brushes are much loved brushes, so most of the time all of the numbers has been rubbed off. So if and when I can find it on the website, I'll be able to link it in the description box for you. But it's just amazing. It's so soft and so precise in that it just fits right here at the crease of my eyes to be able to help me along and cut the crease. Another brush here from Rae Morris is this flat one. I personally use it for me just to do a bit of smudging along the lash line if I so wish. So it just thick and dense and precise enough for me to actually get in the lash line and just smudge it. So that's that. This one here is a baby brush. As you can tell, the tip is very small, very fine, very precise. So for me, it's just perfect to do that little highlighting around the corner of the eyes, and it just fits right there, and no smudge whatsoever. It just does the job beautiful. Another one that I do so enjoy also, this one here, if I want a precise eyeliner using gel, I normally use this to get right in the lash line and do a bit of a cat flick, or I can actually use this to do a bit of a refined brow. So for me, this does both the job of a brow brush as well as an eyeliner brush. Absolutely love her collection. This lasts me for ages, I hope, because you know, after I find these brushes, I don't feel like I need to have any other brushes. This is enough for me to do whatever I needed to do, if and when I choose to do my full makeup. So love, love, love. And again, as I mentioned, it's all magnetic. It's so fun to play, and it's so gorgeous on my makeup vanity. As you can see, you can choose to display it any way you like. So Rae Morris has recently released, I think just a couple of weeks ago, I saw her her video where she actually invented a travel size of some of the famous brushes. Not sure if it's all of these, but I think there's a set of travel size, and it's so cute. It's basically fit into the palm of your hand. It's about this size, and I might actually link it into the description box for you to explore as well, because I'm amazed at that. But I think it's quite pricey. I think last time I looked, it was about 400 something for probably about five or six brushes that she deemed necessary for travel. But yeah, I'll send all the information in the description box for you to explore. But for me, these are my babies. Help me along. I'm very minimal with my makeup, as you can tell. Yeah, but if and when I wanted to have fun playing, doing my makeup, they are just absolutely gorgeous. So hope that's useful for you. I know sometimes I'm rambling away because I just love these. I hope you like those you know, casual chat. I'm quite casual, as you can tell from my videos, and you know, I'm new to YouTube as well, so please bear with me. I don't have a lot of technology around me, and I don't have a lot of things to share, but when I do share, I want to share because I genuinely love what I've got. So hope that's useful for you. All right, so until next time, I hope you have a lovely, lovely night. See ya.